guys, Rog here. Well, today I'm going to be cooking a really delicious fish dish. It's butter basted sea bass with a beautiful sticky lemon sauce. I'm sure you're going to love it, so stay tuned and cook it for yourself. So first off, we make a start with our delicious sticky lemon sauce. In we go with some water into a pan, followed by a couple of large spoonfuls of granulated sugar, the juice of 1 lemon, squeeze that all in. Then we can add some cornstarch or corn flour. I've got about 2 teaspoons full here, mixed into cold water. Stir that in, then we're going to bring this all up to quite a high heat, and you will notice that it clears as it gets hot. And here are our sea bass fillets, fresh from the shop. Don't they look delicious? Not even cooked yet. I'm going to make a start by cutting little slices on the skin side of each fillet. This will help to stop it from curling up while it's being cooked. We're going to need plenty of seasoning. On we go with some freshly ground sea salt. Put that on there, followed by some lovely cracked black pepper. You can't go short on the seasoning. We want it to taste really good when it's done. Then we're going to give these a quick flip over and do the same on the other side. So onto the hob with a nice large pan. Then in we go with a hefty amount of butter. Salted or unsalted, it's completely up to you. We're just going to let this melt down a little bit. And then we can go in with our fillets, skin side down. This is really important, and we're going to cook these most of the way through skin side down, because we want to get us crisp on that skin. All the time we're going to be basting with the butter. That's why it's called butter basted sea bass. So when they're cooked nearly all the way through, probably about 2 minutes, we're going to flip them over, and you can see that lovely crust on the skin, and we're going to cook for another minute or minute and a half. So now it's time to plate up. There's the fish on the plate, and I'm going to just put some gently cooked new potatoes on there and some green beans. Then we're going to put lashings of this beautiful sticky lemon sauce over the top. How much flavour is in there, guys? Beautiful. Couple of wedges just to finish it off, and there we have it. A few last shots, and it's time for me to have a little taste test. Pretty good, eh? That is so delicious. I love fish. I could eat it every day. But that lemon sauce makes all the difference. It just takes this beautiful sea bass just to the next level. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please consider doing so. Hope you've enjoyed this video along with all the rest, and looking forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.